What's up, guys? This is my 98 Honda Civic LX automatic. This is a 2-owner car, me being the second owner. Has 107,000 original miles. Carmichael Honda plate frames. Very clean, runs good. 107K, man. This is 1/10 of its lifespan. These are great cars. If you know anything about these old Civics, they run 1,000,000 miles if you take care of them. This one's white, to make a great first car. Very clean. Has all the original glass. Very, very clean car overall. And has the floor mats. Smogged it today. Carfax is clean. Title's clean. Headlights are original. Timing belt was just done at 103,000 at Honda. Has little minor dents, dings, scratches, but overall the car is exceptional for, being as old as it is. Even has the original floor mats. 107K. Stock radio, AC's ice cold too. Have all the original owner's booklet and all that stuff. Engine bay is exceptional. Car has all of its VINs as well. Yeah. If you know anyone maybe looking for a first car, an economy car, it's a dent right there. Super clean, all of its VINs. Yeah, it runs like a Swiss watch. This would make a killer first car for someone. Interested, guys. Price is going to be $4,000 for him. Thanks. Spencer's Honda's on Instagram, by the way.